So in this clip, this is my husband showing you how to use the display and how to turn it on. You just click that display button one time, and that will show you your battery level, your input and your output of wattage. You can click it 2 times to keep it displaying indefinitely, or click it 1 time and then hold it and it will shut it off. So that he just clicked that button turns on all of the plug-ins, the power to them. So to use each one of those, you just have to click the button beside them to turn the power on to that section. So he's showing you here, that again, he's showing you how much wattage you're pulling. So your output is how much wattage you're using. So that's the lamp running it. It's pulling 7 watts. This clip, he's showing you how to charge it with the wall charger. So on the right side here, this is where you plug this in, and this cord does come with the Jackery when you order it. And the other side is your solar panel inputs. So basically, once you hook that up, either one of those, it will start charging your Jackery. So he's showing you what the solar panel is bringing in. It's bringing in 8 watts. It's going to take 23 hours. So in this clip, he's going to show you guys, he's going to cook with it. So he's turning on his power to his plug-in. So he's got our little portable stove I hooked up. And I just want to say that all of the links to check out these items or to get these items will be in the description box below. So if you guys want to get your own, they will be down in the description box below. So he's just making some coffee in our Stanley percolator this morning, and he's showing you guys how to do that. And it was pulling quite a bit of wattage there, but as you can see, all of this has only took 1% of the battery. So I was actually able to look, and the wattage it is pulling is anywhere between 1030 to 1059, and that's what the stove and it's made by the Comfy brand, was actually pulling to use the percolator. So in this clip, my husband's showing you the different settings you can boil coffee on. So he's got the stove I set on 5, so that's relatively high. So it's pulling 1039. You can see that on the right side by the battery bar. It's showing your output. And then he's going all the way down from like 3, which was pulling around, I think it was 7 a while ago. And he's got it on 1, and now it's pulling like 400 and something watts. So he's showing you guys if you wanted to boil it fast or if you wanted to boil it kind of slower, he's showing you how much wattage each one of those is pulling. So that's what he's doing in this clip here. So if you look, you will see your input is 0 watts, and that is on the left side of the battery bar, which the battery is now 98%, which is in the middle of that little ring there on the display. And then to your right side there is your output, and your output is where your wattage that you're using. So that is what's pulling on your battery of the Jackery. So right here, he's just running it on, he's about to run it on 8, I believe is what it is. Yes, he's running it on 8. And he's just showing you, what kind of wattage it's pulling, how long it's draining the battery, and it's went down 1 more %, so it's still pretty good. And he's just letting you guys see the different wattages it pulls and how long it's gonna last. So that's just what he's doing in this clip. Be sure if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. But anyway, thank you. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video.